Welcome to Cook and Travel. Today, we're diving into the world of quick and delicious cooking with 7 mouth-watering recipes that you can whip up in just 5 minutes each. Whether you're a busy bee or just craving some speedy and tasty eats, we've got you covered. From the creamiest mac and cheese to crispy mozzarella sticks, flavorful BBQ chicken nachos, a decadent cheesecake, a zesty chicken quesadilla, a sweet treat with banana chocolate French toast, and the ultimate speedy mug omelette. We've got a recipe for every craving. So let's jump right in and make cooking a breeze. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get cooking. Let's start with the mac and cheese recipe. First, gather 1 cup of elbow macaroni, 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, a half cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and salt and pepper to taste. Then, follow these steps. Cook the macaroni according to package instructions. Drain. In a separate saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Stir in the flour until well combined. Gradually whisk in the milk until smooth. Add the shredded cheddar cheese and stir until melted. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Combine the cheese sauce with the cooked macaroni. Next, let's move on to the mozzarella sticks. You'll need mozzarella cheese sticks, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, half cup of flour, 2 eggs, beaten, and marinara sauce for dipping. Here's how to make them. Cut the mozzarella sticks in half. Dip each mozzarella stick into the flour, then the beaten eggs, and finally, roll in breadcrumbs. Place the coated mozzarella sticks on a baking sheet. Freeze for about 30 minutes. Fry or bake until golden brown. Serve with marinara sauce for dipping. Moving on to the BBQ chicken nachos. Gather tortilla chips, cooked and shredded chicken, BBQ sauce, shredded cheddar cheese, diced tomatoes, and sliced green onions. Here's how to prepare them. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Arrange tortilla chips on a baking sheet. Mix shredded chicken with BBQ sauce. Spread the BBQ chicken over the chips. Sprinkle shredded cheddar cheese, diced tomatoes, and sliced green onions on top. Bake until cheese is melted and bubbly. Now let's explore the cheesecake recipe. You'll need a graham cracker crust, 16 ounces of cream cheese softened, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 4 eggs. Here's how to make it. Preheat oven to 325 degrees. Beat cream cheese, sugar, and vanilla until smooth. Add eggs 1 at a time, beating well after each. Pour the mixture into the graham cracker crust. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes or until set. Chill before serving. Let's move on to the chicken quesadilla. Gather flour tortillas, cooked and shredded chicken, shredded cheddar cheese, salsa, sour cream, and chopped green onions. Here's how to prepare them. Place a tortilla on a hot skillet. Sprinkle shredded cheddar cheese over half of the tortilla. Add shredded chicken, salsa, and chopped green onions. Fold the tortilla in half and cook until cheese is melted. Repeat for additional quesadillas. Serve with sour cream on the side. Next, we have the banana chocolate French toast. You'll need bread slices, eggs, milk, ripe bananas, sliced, chocolate chips, and maple syrup. Here's how to make it. In a bowl, whisk together eggs and milk. Dip each bread slice into the egg mixture, coating both sides. Cook the bread slices on a griddle or skillet until golden brown. Top with sliced bananas and chocolate chips. Drizzle with maple syrup before serving. Finally, let's explore the mug omelette recipe. Gather 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk, salt and pepper to taste, chopped vegetables, bell peppers, onions, tomatoes, etc., and shredded cheese. Here's how to make it. In a microwave-safe mug, whisk together eggs, milk, salt, and pepper. Stir in chopped vegetables and optional ham or bacon bits. Microwave on high for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring halfway through. Sprinkle shredded cheese on top and microwave for an additional 30 seconds or until cheese is melted. Garnish with extra vegetables and enjoy.